friends, my name is Praveen Choudhary. Today we are going to solve some interesting questions or competitive questions of fractions. So first question is, as you can see here, is a reciprocal of this figure and minus from this figure. So first we have to minus this figure. What is this figure value stands for? Okay, so if I bring there is a just 1 2 here, so I bring here replace. You have to make, or this block should come at one position so that it is easy to calculate what things are there. So first we have this figure. This figure we have. Now you see, if this figure comes here and there are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this center blocks comes here. Now there are once again 4, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it covers an area of this much, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts are left from a total of 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. From a 16, 6 are left. So means 10 upon 16 is the ratio of that, and the ratio, what is the fraction this stands for? This stands for the, when it will come here, so then this area would be whole shaded, and this makes a triangle, this makes a triangle, this makes a triangle, this. So it divided into 4, 4 upon 1 means minus 4 upon 1, 1 upon 4. So first make the same denominator is equals to 16. So 16, 10, and this is 4 multiplied by 4. So 1 multiplied by 4 equals to 4. So minus equals to 6 upon 16. So now we cut into the simplest form. We get is to 3 is to 8. Now 3 is to 8 is our answer, but we have to reciprocal of this. What would be the reciprocal? Mean is to, we have to change what number we will multiply to get it 1. That we have to opposite these values equals to 8 is to 3, that is 1. So this is our answer, which is C option. So the next question is decimal form of this figure. So first we have to put all these shaded part aside so that we can calculate. So this is a whole circle divided into 6 parts. Like that is, so 3, this 3 is shaded here only. And there are 3 parts. So first part, second part and third part. So as option suggests, number 2 is means 1/4. How 1/4? Because 0.25 stands for upon 25. If we will convert into fraction, and that means 1 is to 4. So it is more than 1 upon 4. So B option is correct. So let's solve it. Now if I will double this, I will get from here. So 2 parts are remaining. So I cannot do anything. So first, how many parts I have to divide? 1, 2. Each 2 parts, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8 upon 3 are shaded. How we can write this into fraction or decimals? And which number you will multiply this to be a 10 or array? Any number followed by 1 followed by zeros. How how many zeros that's of your 10, it is not possible. 10 anyway not possible. Then it is 100. 100 also no possible. Possible? No. Then it is 1000. 1000 it is possible. So 800, 8000 divide by 8. 1 time 8, 200 and 20. So 20 it would come. 2 times 16 and now 4 and 0, which is 225 equals to that. So 3 multiplied by 125. What is that? 125 multiplied by 3 equals to 15 upon 1. 6, 7, 3, 375. Now this is the answer. No. We have to, this is a fractional form. Now we have to convert this into decimals. How we can convert into decimals? First count the zeros it have. How much zeros it have? 1, 2, 3. So place the decimal point 3 places ahead. Means 0.375. The A answer is correct. The next question is, so we have two figures here. First, take out first figure. Now, it contains 4 triangles. If we first place it here, second place it here, third place it here, and fourth. So we get first ratio, first figure as representing 1:4, and second, let's see. 1, 2, so it would cover half triangle, then 1, 2, then half, then 1, 2, then again half. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 in which 3 are shaded. So that the ratio became 1:4 multiplied by 3 upon 8. We have to do simple multiplication. 8 fours are first, then 8 fours are 32. Then we have to. So the answer is not coming. So the answer is not coming. So answer is none of these. The next question is, so in this question we have A works or A do a piece of work in 10 days and B do the same piece of work in 15 days. For how much day it would need in which both are doing work, how much days it will need to both to complete a work. So the work done by A in 1 day is 1/10 and the work done by B is 1/15. Now plus both them would be the answer of work done by both in a day. So the LCM is 30 and 3 plus 2 equals to 5/30. It's the work done in 1 day. So how much day would we need to do? 5. Next day it would be 10/30. So equals to 2 days. Then 30/15 would be in 3 days. Then 30/20 in 4 days. 30/25 in 5 days. And 30/30, which means the total work have been completed in 6 days. So the answer is 6 days. The next question is, in this question, a tap A fill a tank in 30 hours. tank B fill the same tank in 15 hours, and tap C empty the tank in 16 hours. So how much time it would need the tank should be filled fully? So A plus B minus C would give our answer. So means in one day it would tap A would 1/30. In second day or in first day B would do it 15/1 and C would do 60/1. According to rule of board mass, we should do addition first then subtraction. So the LCM game is 60 and is 1 plus 2 which is 3/30 minus 60/1. So LCM of these both would be 60 and 6, and this would be 1 which would be 5/60. So it in one day in 1 hour it fills this much of time. What is the time needed? So in 2 days it would do 10/60. So in that 12 hours it would complete the tank by fully, or the tank would be filled. So the answer is 12 HRS. Friends, I hope that you learn how to solve the competitive questions of fractions. Friends, at the last, thanks for